Let us see how to draw the 105° and the 52° 30-minute angles using the compass and straight edge only. The 105° angle can be drawn as 60 degrees plus 45 degrees, for example, and many other ways as well, but in this video we will find it as the addition of the 90° angle plus the 15° one, and the 52° 30-minute angle is the angle bisector of the 105° one. In order to draw the 105° angle, we draw an arc using point A as center and any radius long, so it meets the semi-straight line R at this point 1. Using point 1 as center and the same radius, we draw an arc that meets the former one at this point 2. Using point 2 as center and the same radius, we draw another arc that meets the first one at this point 3. So the angle intercepted by arc 1, 3 is the 120° angle. We extend the last drawn arc upwards, and using point 3 as center and the same radius, we draw another arc that meets that arc at this point 4. So the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 4 forms the 90° angle with semi-straight line R. This angle intercepted by the arc 5, 3 is 30 degrees. If we draw the angle bisector of this 30° angle, we get two 15° angles. So 90 degrees plus 15 degrees, or 100 degrees minus this 15 degrees, equal the 105° angle wanted. Using points 3 and 5 as centers and the same radius, the one we want, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 6 that belongs to the angle bisector of the 30° angle. So the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 6 forms the 105° angle with semi-straight line R. I check it, here it is, the 105° angle. And in order to find the 52° 30-minute angle, we have to draw the angle bisector of the 105° angle. Using points 1 and 7 as centers and the same radius, the one we want, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 8, which belongs to the angle bisector of the 105° angle. So the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 8 forms the 52° 30-minute angle with semi-straight line R. And I check it, here it is, the 52° 30-minute angle.